that you can't ignore. Say, hey, she coming my way, she run around saying whatever she wanna say. Told her I don't wanna have to do this every day.